Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be doing that again tonight. But before we go fully into it, joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, and of course we will be checking out some trading activities tonight. Okay, so you can browse through the channel and make sure you understand the strategies which I shared in my videos, and of course you can also practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some assets right here, and we will be analyzing them one after the other, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and just the way we are saying it, okay, I'm using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right here. This went on downtrend but got to this support zone and was unable to break out from there. So right from there it went back on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it's selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so may likely sell till it gets to this region. Okay, till it gets to this region. Okay, this or this. Okay, before it will pull back and try out this resistance stage again, okay, to see if it will break out from there. Okay, if it breaks out above it, then it will be getting to this resistance zone before going back into a full downtrend. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, this is selling at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this is actually it has been ranging between this region. Okay, it has been playing around this resistance zone and this support zone. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so it has been playing within this region, and of course it goes down and up from the within this channel, so you need to watch out from there. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it sells again until it gets to this region, and of course it goes back up again to see if it will break out from that resistance zone. So you just need to follow this channel for now until it is able to break out above one of them. Okay, above or below one of them. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so trade within the channel. Okay, I'm going to put it that you should trade within the channel. Okay, within the channel. Okay, so that's very, very important to just follow it up and down within the channel until there is a breakout from somewhere. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend. It broke out above this resistance zone around there, and it kept on buying at that particular point. Okay, it has gotten to another resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will continue to buy. If it does not, then it goes back on sell trend. Okay, this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will go back on sell trend. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. this is crash 500, and just where we have seen it, it has been on downtrend for a very long time, but this time around it's trying to pull back on uptrend. And of course there are some resistance zone around here. This is a very important resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. At least it should buy until it gets to this region. Okay, this is very important. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and just where we are seeing it, and this has really been doing very well. It started a sell trend around there, and of course it has been selling. Okay, it actually started from this top, but got to this region, it pulled back, and of course right now it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely to go back into a buy trend and see if it will be able to break out from this resistance zone. This is very important. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important, and you need to take note of that because it is at the support zone already. If it's unable to break out from that support zone, then definitely it will keep on buying from there. So this is very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you're trading with this analysis, make sure you do that carefully. And of course, if you are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice in order to perfect your trading skill. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God